We're not in 2020 anymore. We're not even in 2023. By 2026, the rules of work, life, and survival will have shifted again, not gradually but sharply. And no, I'm not going to tell you communication or teamwork. I'm talking about 5 raw, uncomfortable, high-leverage skills that most people will ignore and then regret ignoring. These aren't for coders or CEOs only. These are for anyone who wants to stay employed, sane, and useful in 2026. Let's go. Skill number 1, AI workflow integration. Not learning AI, that's too vague. I mean, can you take a real task you do today, break it into steps, and hand 60% of those steps to an AI tool, then check, fix, and improve the output in half the time? By 2026, knowing how to prompt will be like knowing how to type in 1995. Basic. The real skill is workflow design with AI. Don't just ask ChatGPT to write an email. Build a system where AI drafts, you revise, AI checks tone, you send, AI tracks reply patterns. This skill keeps you relevant in marketing, finance, admin, even blue-collar planning. No AI will replace you, but a person who uses AI as a system will replace someone who doesn't. Skill number 2, information filtration and digital minimalism. By 2026, the average person will see more misinformation in one day than someone in 2000 saw in a year. The skill? Ruthlessly filtering signal from noise. This means knowing when not to check news, using tools to block distractions by default, verifying a claim in under 60 seconds, reverse image search, source tracing, cross-checking, deleting apps that don't serve a clear goal. This isn't being offline, it's being strategically online. Skill number 3, rapid unlearning and relearning. Here's the hard truth. Half of what you know today about your job will be outdated by 2026. Not obsolete entirely, but the methods will change. The skill is, can you drop a tool, habit, or belief you've used for years and learn a better one in less than 2 weeks without ego? Example, a graphic designer who used Photoshop for a decade. If a new AI image tool cuts work time by 70%, do you resist or adapt? Skill number 4, personal data management. Do you know where your own data lives? By 2026, your digital footprint will affect loans, job offers, insurance, even social trust. You need to know what data each app collects, regularly delete old accounts, use separate emails for different life areas, control your own calendar, contacts, and files, not just cloud defaults. In 2026, someone who manages their data like a small business will have more freedom and less risk than someone who lets every app own them. Skill number 5, focus under fragmentation. The world in 2026 will not be less distracting. It will be worse. The real skill is not focus for 4 hours. That's rare. The skill is, can you focus deeply for 25 minutes, get interrupted, and return to full attention in under 60 seconds? That's a trainable mental muscle. Practice. Work in 25-minute sprints. Force a small interruption, like a notification. Immediately go back to the task without checking anything else. By 2026, workplaces will be fragmented by default. People who lose 20 minutes per interruption will fall behind. People who recover in seconds will dominate. These 5 skills won't show up on most top 10 lists, but that's exactly why you need them. Master these, and 2026 won't scare you. You'll be useful, resilient, and rare. And in a world of automation and noise, being rare is survival.